Justice Jackson temporarily blocks judge's order to release full November SNAP benefits. In a late-night move on Friday, Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson issued a temporary injunction that halted a district court order compelling the Trump administration to disburse the full amount of SNAP Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program benefits for November. The judge's original ruling had demanded that the federal government release the entire allotment of food assistance on the same day, a directive that sparked intense debate among policymakers, advocates, and the families who rely on the program for basic nutrition. Justice Jackson's intervention, though brief, underscores the Supreme Court's willingness to step into the fray when lower court decisions intersect with large-scale federal aid distribution, especially during a politically charged period. The order was filed just hours before the scheduled release, creating uncertainty for millions of low-income households that count on timely SNAP payments to purchase groceries. Critics of the Trump administration argue that the delayed rollout could exacerbate food insecurity as the holiday season approaches, while supporters claim the injunction provides needed oversight to ensure that the distribution complies with statutory limits and budgetary constraints. Legal experts note that the case highlights a broader conflict over the scope of executive authority in administering social safety net programs, a clash that has intensified since the 2024 elections. The temporary block does not invalidate the original judgment but merely pauses its implementation while the parties seek further clarification. In the meantime, state agencies are scrambling to adjust their payment calendars, and advocacy groups are urging Congress to pass emergency legislation that would guarantee uninterrupted assistance. The episode serves as a reminder that the mechanisms delivering essential services can become entangled in high-stakes legal battles, with real-world consequences for the most vulnerable populations. As the Supreme Court reviews the matter, observers will watch closely for signals about how future disputes over federal aid might be resolved, especially as the nation grapples with rising inflation, lingering supply chain disruptions, and a polarized political environment that often pits judicial interpretation against executive action.